Welcome. Today, we're diving into the word masticate, a word you might have heard but maybe don't fully know what it means. Let's break it down simply. Masticate means to chew. Yes, when you take food into your mouth and chew it, you are masticating. This word comes from Latin roots and is a bit fancier than just saying chew, but it means the same thing. Now, why is knowing this word helpful? Using interesting words like masticate can expand your vocabulary and make your speaking and writing more vivid and expressive. Definition: to masticate means to grind or crush something, especially food, with the teeth. Examples: when you eat an apple, you masticate each bite before swallowing. Some animals masticate their food slowly to help digestion. Synonyms for masticate. Here are some simpler words that mean the same thing. Chew, gnaw, bite, chow, informal. Using these synonyms can help you avoid repeating the same word too much. Why use masticate? Using masticate instead of a chew can add flair to your language, especially in writing or formal speech. It shows that you have a strong vocabulary and can make everyday actions sound more interesting. Practice using this word in sentences of your own. For example, the horse began to masticate the fresh hay. We must masticate our food properly to aid digestion. Thanks for watching. Keep growing your vocabulary with Thesaurus Thrive.